Hi everyone! In this week's subscriber membership tutorial, I took everyone off to the wonderful island of Santorini, where we captured this beautiful, tranquil scene in ink and watercolour. In this lesson, lots of techniques were used. Wet in wet for the rated wash in the sky, how to create that rugged paint peeling texture of the table, the chair and the rattan seat. The hard edge shadows, wet in wet for the leaves on the tree, and capturing the way light hits the ocean. Painting really was all about light, how to get that feeling of a warm Mediterranean day. Happy painting!